The Heritage Health Prize is a $3 million prize for predictive modeling for who will be hospitalized within any given patient population in the world.
Dr. Richard Merkin, President and CEO of Heritage Provider Network, presented checks totaling $50,000 to the two teams leading the $3 million Heritage Health Prize competition at the 6-month mark at the Strata Conference in New York.
The team of the market makers, and that includes David Vogel, Dr. Randy Axelrod, and Phil Brierley from Australia. So I'd like to ask David Vogel to come up here and say a few words. Thank you so much.
Well, this is a tremendous honor to be invited here today. On behalf of my team, I just want to say that even though Phil Brierley and Dr. Randy Axelrod couldn't be here today, they were both highly instrumental in the progress we've made. And mostly I want to thank Dr. Merkin for and the Heritage Network for putting on this prize.
Willem Mestrom, information analyst from the Netherlands, won second place in the prize contest, receiving $20,000 from Dr. Merkin.
So much of our resources allocated to healthcare, $2.6 trillion. If we can reallocate some of those care dollars into cure dollars, I believe we can change the world.
Extremely excited about this. It's a little different from what I usually do in terms of predicting medical outcomes instead of financial outcomes. But interestingly, the data is very similar. We're trying to predict the unpredictable, and the most important ones to predict are those outlying costs, patients.
This is a really significant part of the competition, because what happens here is that the team market makers will reveal their methodology, and everybody else will get a sense for what they've been doing, and so everybody else will be able to sort of iterate on what's currently best practice in the competition. So everything changes from this point on.
This has been incredible.